Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. So in today's video I'm gonna show you another Arabian inspiration makeup tutorial, and today this one is very dramatic and I use it a little bit of blue. I love this color so much and I really hope that you enjoy. So if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned and let's get started. So I'm gonna start off from my eyes, and today I'm gonna apply the Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. As always, this is one of my favorite primers ever. I'm gonna spray this product all over the lid with my clean finger, and I'm gonna apply in my tear duct area and lower lash line as well. And to create this very dramatic and glam makeup look, today I'm gonna use the Glam Reflectance palette by BH Cosmetics, and this is the Smoke palette. Look how stunning this is, and the colors are amazing. I really like this. With this palette you can create a lot of makeup looks. So look at these shades. Oh my god, I was very confused to choose which blue I'm gonna use today. This one or this one. So I decided to go for this one because it has a little more glitter in the formula and I really like this one. So I'm going to start off applying this shade as my transition with a blending brush. I'm going to apply this color in the other corner of my eyes and blend in circular motions to my crease. And next I'm gonna apply this dark brown eyeshadow in the other corner of my eyes and in the lower lash line as well. Beside of the dark brown, I'm gonna apply this amazing glittery blue shade. I love this color so much. It's very different and beautiful. So this color has a little bit of fallout, so you have to be careful with this. That's why I did the eyes first and did my skin later, but that's okay for me. And next in my eyelid, I'm gonna apply this beautiful rose gold shade. And next to highlight, I'm gonna use the lightest shade of the palette. Right on top of these beautiful shadows, I'm gonna apply a glitter, and this is the Reflect Spiro by MAC. I'm gonna apply also using a spray, and this is the same setting spray that I used it for my skin. This is the Slay All Day in the fragrance Rosy. And that's it for the eyes. I just applied the Fake Lashes Winging by Velour and also a little bit of gel liner in the tear duct area. So I just applied a beige pencil in the waterline. And for the next step, I'm gonna do my skin. So I'm gonna start off applying the setting spray by BH Cosmetics, and I love how my skin feels. And this is the rose fragrance. Next, I'm gonna apply a primer, and this is the POREfessional by Benefit. I'm gonna apply this primer in my cheeks and a little bit to my nose. And what is left, I'm gonna apply in the rest of my face. And next for foundation, I'm gonna use Pro Glow by L'Oreal. I love this foundation so much, and I'm using the color Classic Ivory. I'm gonna apply this foundation using a damp beauty blender, and this is 3D HD by Sigma. To set everything in place, I'm gonna use the Pure Makeup Powder by Maybelline. I love this powder because the effect is very natural in the skin, and I just apply a small amount. Next, I'm gonna apply contour, and today I'm gonna use Cocoa Contour by Too Faced. I'm gonna use the lightest shade of the palette to contour. For blush, I'm using Lotus by Motives Cosmetics. I love this color so much. It's a little shimmery and has some gold glitters on it. I also used the bronzer Sweetie Pie by Too Faced. It's a radiant matte bronzer and I love this. Look how cute it is. To highlight my face, I used the prismatic highlighter Love Light in the shade Blinded by the Light, and this is also from Too Faced. For my lips, I used 3 products today and I was very confused in which lipstick I'm gonna apply. So today I chose the Love Note Lip Contour by Melt Cosmetics and also the Liquid Lipstick by Melt Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Ladylike. It's a very beautiful shade, but I applied just a little bit because I want to create a more natural and soft effect in this makeup look. And for the lip gloss on top, I'm gonna apply Hitty by Huda Beauty. And that's it for this look, my lovies. I really hope that you enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and I see you later in the next tutorials. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you still didn't, hit the notification bell and also like this video if you did. Comment down below to tell me what you want to see next in this channel and I see you later in the next tutorials. Bye!